This tutorial will walk you through how to make a no-sew braided bracelet. It's a great project for using up little strips of fabric you have left over from other sewing projects. Since it doesn't require any kind of sharp needle or small objects, this can also be a great craft idea for kids who are starting to learn how to braid. Gather 5 strands of knit fabric that are approximately 1 inch in width and arrange them with something heavy like a book on one end. Then we are going to make a 5-strand braid. Take the strand on the far right and bring it over top of one strand and then under the next one. Now your strand should be in the center of the bracelet. Next, you want to take the far left strand and repeat the process. Bring it over one and then under the next. So now the far left strand is sitting in the center. Repeat this process over and over again, alternating between the strand that's on the far right and the far left. Continue braiding until the bracelet fits around your wrist. To end the bracelet, leave a little gap in the braid so that it's not as tight on that last end, leaving a little loop. Starting with the inside strands, tie a knot, and then add the outer strands one at a time to secure the knot. And then trim off any excess fabric. Then you want to make a big knot at the starting end of the bracelet. You'll insert the knot at the beginning into the loop at the end to wear it.